If you're looking to change the mood or to enhance the lighting in any room, whether it's your living room, bedroom, workspace, or even your gaming setup, then this video is definitely for you. So I bought this package on Amazon, and here is what came with the lighting kit. You will get 2 rolls of LED lighting strips. You will get a controller, and you'll also get a power adapter. And that's all you need to get started. It's simple, affordable, and yet it's super easy to set up. So here is how the installation actually works. The LED strip has an adhesive at the back. And so all you're going to do is to stick the LED strip along your wall, around your ceiling edge, behind your TV, under your shelves, or anywhere you want to improve the lighting to change the ambience. The next thing that you need to do is to connect the strip to the controller and to plug it into the charger. Now when it comes to using the controller, you can use the controller to change the colors, the brightness, as well as the lighting modes. So whether you want a chill kind of vibe, party lights, or a warm, cozy glow, doesn't matter. This kit will allow you to be able to get that kind of lighting. Now, let's talk about cutting the LED strip. Sometimes you won't need the entire length, and that's totally fine. That's not a problem. So here's what you need to know. You'll notice small icon printed along the strip, and these are actually the safe spots to cut. Only cut along those lines. Anywhere else and you'll risk damaging the strip. After cutting, you can use a connector if you want to join the cut strips to another section or corner. Now, some kits will actually come with connectors, or you can get them separately. You'll have to purchase those. And there you have it. A quick, simple, and cost-effective way to upgrade your lighting and ambience using LED strips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech and home upgrade tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.